Hello and welcome back to my channel Digital Solution. This is your boy and this is your mentor Vincent. Okay, so I'm back with another brand new video. It's gonna be a third brand new video on my channel. As you all know that we are just going to upload a very conceptual and a very knowledgeable video about the wealth and health related topics. Alright, so this is gonna be third like a video about the health. Okay, so I'm gonna review these type of website which allows you, which gives you the knowledge by articles, by videos, by things that you can improve your daily routine, daily health life, daily peacefully mindfully life, right? Okay, so without wasting your time, I'm not gonna waste a single second. Just subscribe my channel Digital Solution, and as well as click on the all notification. Whenever I got uploaded a new video, you will get a notification over here, right? So let's start the video with the concept. Okay, so the name of this website is MindBodyGreen. Okay, mindbodygreen.com. What is it actually? How it works, each and everything I'm going to tell you. Mind Body Green is strong start. Everyone needs a good health, for the good wellness, for the good life, for the peaceful mental life. You need a good health routines, that kind of things. These websites gonna tell you in the that play. Okay, so this is the interface. First of all, we know the interface. This all are articles, all the articles. You can see read latest articles. When you click on the read latest article, you will see the latest articles about to the latest article is on this website, like this zodiac sign is set for financial gains 2025, like this is called the stars things. Okay, now we just pull back. Okay, so you can see this option is called shop. You can, the website says unlock a stronger you with the body migraine like presence, purity and potency, manufactured in the USA, 4 rounds for tasting and education and content, like this kind of thing you can shop over here. Okay, we're gonna talk in deeply, but now we are just going to like creatine plus drink mixes. Okay, game on view the digital issue. You can check out the issues, personal growth, recovery, personal growth and functional food, or like many more, right? Women's health and beauty. Okay, this is called health. Health is just important topic. You can click on here and you can check all the concepts, all the related to the articles about the health. Basically our main target is just that, to give you the knowledge about the health, like integrative health, mental health, women's health and healthy weight. Okay, so that kinds of things we actually need more in health. You can check it out, all the articles in very peacefully. So what kind of diseases or what kind of problem you are facing over here in your health, food, movement, lifestyle, mind, funless or relationship with parent, you can just got each and everything on this website. Basically this website is just established from 2009 to 2025. That's very good LLC of Mind Body Green. So pull back it and check it out what's going on. Okay, so strong women, after a lifetime of being told eat less, strict cardio and shrink over slaves, we are seeing women fill up their plates, pick up the weights and step into the power. Okay, basically this website or my channel give you that kind of videos about the health related, like the knowledgeable videos. I'm gonna tell. Okay, so institute transform your career and change your life. Okay, health, these are the courses, right? Health coach certification, life coaching, functional nutrition training. Okay, you can check it out, season, time, type or length, or like certification or additional information, each and everything. And you can also click on the explore all courses, check it out. And nutrition, like what kind of food you get it on by season, and vegetables, food, healthy or not. Okay, so join 1 million plus subscribe on the journey towards strong and healthy. Like 1 million plus users are connecting with them. So the long game functional food, sleep school, the daily latest pics. When you put your email here, click on the sign up, you will get a notification on your emails. Okay, so this is all mind body green collective, like mentors. These are the mentors. Okay, you can check it out, there are a lot of mentors. So this is overall concept and the interface of the website. Like you can also connect them with Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, and TikTok. Okay, so when we click on the learn option, we get health coach certification, functional nutrition and training, and life coaching. And on click on the shop, you can get these things for your daily routine. Okay, like muscle health, metabolic health, beauty, daily essential. Oh, by the way, this is not a paid promotion website. I'm not gonna promote this website on my channel. I just reviewed by myself. By the way, I didn't pick up anything from this website. I don't have an idea, but I just review it by seeing the website concept. Okay, and when you click on the listen button, you can check it out, you can listen to them. Okay, so how you can join this website, click on the continue with Google, put your email and just sign up. Okay, so this is the way how you can get your sign up over here. So this is overall review of this website, Mind Body Green, like a strong start. Okay, so I hope you just got the things what I'm gonna tell you. Okay, so subscribe the Digital Solution for the upcoming videos, and I really are thinking that you love the video, you love the concept, and just subscribe the concept of this channel. Just subscribe Digital Solution and share with your friends and family. Okay, so bye bye, take yourself, bless of God, have a good day. We meet in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.